So, in the last session, we were discussing about three causes. For anything we do, there is immediate cause, and there is remote cause, and finally there is ultimate cause. And we gave the example or analogy about the train. So, there is engine, which is the ultimate cause, and there is second bogie, third bogie, and fourth bogie. They are the remote cause and the immediate cause. Now, Vedanta Sutra. What is Vedanta Sutra? Vedanta means the end of Vedas. The Veda, Vidwan, Vidvat, all these words come from the root word called Vid Dhatu. Vid or Veda means knowledge. It is a magnum opus of knowledge available in our great India. So the Vedanta Sutra begins with this sutra. And what is it? Janmadhyasya yataha, meaning Janma Adi, what is the original source of everything, and that is God. So the Vedanta Sutra begins with this aphorism which everyone should try to understand in their life. Also, Brahmaji, all of us we know Brahma, who is the creator of this creation, he in his Brahma Samhita has given a beautiful definition of God. I call it as a definition of God. What is it? He says, Ishwaraha Paramaha Krishnaha Satchidananda Vigraha Anadir Adir Govinda Sarvakarana Karanam. He says, Anadir Adir Govinda Sarvakarana Karanam. Beautiful definition. If somebody asks you, can you define God? Actually, we can say this. What is it? Anadir Adir Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. What is the meaning? God is Anadi and He is Adi. What is the meaning of Adi? It is a starting point. For anything which begins, it has a starting point. And God is a starting point of everything. And what is Anadi? So people, whenever I speak about these concepts, many people, many intellectuals, they ask this question. You want to know? They ask, Sir, you speak about God, very interesting, very nice. We also believe to some extent God does exist. And God created all these things. This also we accept it. But our question still remains unanswered. And what is it? They say, if God created everything, who created God? That is a beautiful question they ask. If God created everything, who created God? So the answer, Brahmaji is actually saying, God is the beginning of everything and He has no beginning. That is the answer. So who created God? None. If somebody creates God, that means they are more powerful than God. Then they become God. So nobody can create God, or God is not created. Why? Because He is the origin. He is the beginning. He is the Adi and He is also Anadi, meaning He has no beginning. Hope you find this answer quite reasonable. So God created everything. Who created God? Nobody, because God is the beginning and God has no beginning. That is the point. Still, it is possible to empirically prove that we are living in a universe, but in a universal government. So there is universe and there is a universal government, which I call it